informed that there is a gift from the church for the retired bishop, and therefore I'm going to allow them to carry on, and then they will invite me to invite the Deputy President.
Yeah, we just want to give guidance, Your Excellency, because today is a day of gifting Bishop Kagonda, and we know that when His Excellency the President speaks, everybody will go out. And so that we don't miss that opportunity to gift our President, our Bishop, it is a moment that we need Christians to come, but you, Your Excellency, we can spare you until your time comes, and the Deputy President. But everybody else, we will ask the team that was guiding that process to let us know quickly how we are going to do it, so that in the shortest time possible, maybe this side will be used for those who have their gifts, and they will begin even with the bishops who are here.
We will have St. Andrew's Kagongo Choir to be singing. We have many points where we can give our gifts. There are many stands out there, so that only those who are here will come in front, and also those who will be called upon. So as St. Andrew sings, then others will continue to do that.
So we are not going to come to the front, all of us. There are various points, very many there, placed at your convenience, so that you will write your name if you want, put your gift there, and just slot it in the boxes.
Yeah. Jambo moja kidogo kwa gavana wetu na member of parliament wetu, na kushukuru kwa sababu akuleta tiga ikaweka kidogo, lakini hapo mweke lami kidogo. Sinafanyika hiyo karami kidogo na karbat kutokea hapo karami leguo.
Bishop Joseph from Thika and the members of the joint DDC, we give our gifts. Thank you. The members of the joint DDCs are here. Thank you. Members of the joint DCC, tafadhali simameni wherever you are. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
As the choir goes on, there are very many points all over. You don't have to come here, please. There are very many points up there. Just give your donations up there. Everywhere there are points for giving your donations, so that we finish quickly. We can take the shortest time. Tabadari, let's do it quickly.
Magharibi na kaskazini, tuungane tujenge Kenya. Kenya yetu. Toka kusini mashariki, magharibi na kaskazini, tuungane tujenge Kenya. Ushangilie sana uongozi wa askofu, Wakristo wachungaji, uongozi wa askofu, tushangilie sana uongozi wa askofu.
Haya, asante sana. Asante sana kwaya, asante sana kwaya. Basi kama kuna mtu bado amebaki, tumefunga hiyo sehemu, tutapeana kule pembeni, zile masanduku bado siku. Sasa nauliza gavana wetu aje aendeleze program. Asante. Kuna watu wanataka kupeana kwa simu, itangazwe hiyo simu alafu mtaweza kuweka.